afternoon, my student. How are you today?
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you today?
What about you, Dila? How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm
I'm fine, Tan.
Thank you.
okay. Alright, before we start the class, I would like to we pray together. Okay? Do you remember how to pray?
Yes.
Yes, okay. We start 1, 2, 3. Amin. Okay, finished. Now, I would like to check your attendance. Here, the first one is Fia. Okay, Fia
I'm
Salsabila. I'm here. Okay, next. Rizky Fadila.
Here.
Okay, good job. Alright, I would like to check your memorize about previous meeting, what we talked about. Ayo, my student. We talked about good morning, and then good after,
Noon.
and then good
Evening.
evening. How many good? There are 3. What the meaning for good morning? Selamat.
Pagi.
Okay, good job. What about good evening?
Selamat siang.
Selamat Selamat malam sayang Miss. Oh my god, why you so feel like, oh my god, you forget? No? Alright. And then what about good afternoon? It mean selamat siang dan selamat
Sore.
sore. Okay. Nah, good evening and good night is same, but different how we use that. Good night, if we want to say goodbye in night, we say good night. For example, jika kita mau mengucapkan good night, kita menggunakan good night di saat kita berpisah dengan teman kita, di saat kita berjumpa. Sedangkan good evening, kita menggunakannya jika kita sedang berjumpa dengan teman kita, baru saja berjumpa. Jadi ada namanya perpisahan dan ada namanya pertemuan. Jika pertemuan kita menggunakan good evening, dan jika perpisahan kita menggunakan good good night. Okay, that our previous material, right? Now we move to the introduction to greetings, and also you introduce yourself. But is it easy way? You know, easy? You just say like I. What meaning I in bahasa?
Saya.
Saya. What about you?
Kamu.
Okay, good job, Dila. Next, here we can say, you can see here. Okay, what is that? Pia, can you ask? Can you read this one? This one?
This
Hi.
hi is an informal greeting we use with friends.
Oh.
I'm Kimi. Is home. We introduce ourselves. The sentence pattern is I'm man.
Okay. So there is, you can see, if we want to say informal, just say hi. Okay? Hi. We put I plus MI and your name. Is it the easy way to say your name? Okay? Next. You can see, if we want to say informal, you can use hi only. Okay? And then if you want to more formal, you say hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening if we met someone. Okay? And then here, the different greeting is are using in every day. Learning when to use different greetings help us to be polite and friendly. Let's discuss which greeting to use different times of the day. Alright? Do you understand Siamese? Understand? Okay. Next, here. Okay, now I would like to give you example for how to introduce yourself. The first one is to say hi, like previous, or hello. Hello, my name is Risa, and or we can say hi, I'm Risa. Which one more short for you? Yang mana yang lebih singkat? Hi, I am. Okay. Hi, I'm Risa. And then if we want to say your friend names, how we can say that? Your friend names? For the example, hello, my name is Risa, and her name is Via. That for the example. What about if they are a man or a guy or a boy? We say just his name, and for girl, her name. Do you understand? If we introduce our friend, okay?
Okay, miss.
Alright, we move to this one. Okay. I think you are already familiar about this, right? If we see the cat say meow. And then what about the dog? We say like woof woof. And for the pig is oink oink. And for the cow is moo. Alright. Why you look so sad? You not cheer up today. Are you feeling hungry?
No.
Oh no, okay. Next, we already talked about this, right? The basic you should know about introduction. Is it I, you, and then what else? I'm and hi. Okay, good job. Is it hi for same like hello? And then for is for verb. Do you know verb? Kata kerja. Good job. Next. Alright, we make for the example here. Hi, I'm Anna. Okay, can you make that in English, Dila? For the example here. Hi, I'm. Okay. What about you can say like, hi, my name is. Yeah, is it same? And then what about you? Yeah. Hi.
Hi, I'm Alifia Salsabila.
Okay, good job. Boleh tengok bentar nggak? Mati nggak dia?
Nggak.
Kok lagi suara kita nggak dengar kan?
Okay. Here, I have game for you here. We practice with ball. Okay. Do you know how to using this game? This game is using ball, and then I give that ball. But before I give that ball, I introduce yourself, and then I introduce myself. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. Now we practice to using hi and I'm Risa for the example, and then my name is Risa for introduce ourselves. Okay. Are you ready for playing ball for introduction game? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now I will throw to Pia, but before I throw to Pia, I will introduce myself and Pia name. Okay, for the example, hello, my name is Risa, and her name is Alifia Salsabila. Is it like that? Okay, do you understand?
Understand.
Okay. Alright, I will throw. Okay, my name is Risa, and her name is Alifia Salsabila. Okay. You throw first, and then you say her name. My name.
Hi, I am Alifia Salsabila, and here is my teacher.
Okay, good job. Next, you can throw to me. Okay. My name.
My name is Rizky Fadila, and
Her.
name is Alifia Salsabila.
Okay, good job. Give applause for us. Okay, so for the introduce yourself, you can say my name is.
Alifia Salsabila.
Okay, and then Rizky
Fadila.
Fadila. And then other ways, more short, we can say I am, and then please your name. I am Risa.
I am Alifia Salsabila. I am Rizky Fadila.
Okay, and then what about the greeting? There are 2 greeting, right? 3 greeting, right? Hi, hello, good morning. What else? Good
Afternoon.
good
Evening.
Okay. Do you understand?
Understand, Miss?
Okay, so we have assignment, but after this I will give you the assignment, okay?
What's your name?
My name is Alifia Salsabila.
is Rizky Fadila.
Okay, next.
Boleh ya? Mana?
My favorite rice nasi goreng apa?
My favorite food is fried rice.
My favorite food is
Fried
fried rice.
Okay, next.
My favorite food is apa ya?
Okay, thank you.